Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to save YouTube videos for offline viewing. Many people want to watch their favorite content without an internet connection, and YouTube offers a straightforward way to do this. We'll cover the official methods, focusing on the features available through YouTube Premium. This allows you to enjoy your videos on the go, even when you're in areas with limited or no network access. It's a convenient feature for subscribers. To begin downloading, simply open your YouTube app and find the video you wish to save. Below the video player, you'll see a prominent download button. Tapping this button will prompt you to choose your desired video quality, ranging from standard definition to high definition. Once you make your selection, the download process will start automatically, usually completing in just a few moments depending on your... To get the best results, always start with a shorter cooking time, around 30 seconds, and add more in 10-second bursts if necessary. Overcooked papad can become burnt and bitter. Also, remember to cook papads individually. Avoid stacking them, as this prevents even cooking. After microwaving, let the hot papad cool for just a few seconds. This helps it crisp up even more. While downloading videos is incredibly useful, there are a few important points to remember. Not all videos are available for download. Some creators choose to disable this feature. Also, downloaded content can only be played within the YouTube app itself and cannot be transferred or viewed using other media players. Finally, your downloads will expire after 30 days if your device isn't reconnected to the internet at least once during that period.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.